This is my review of the Apeman C860 front and rear dashcam. This is the box that it comes in, and it's very nice, very professional looking box. Comes with the front camera, which is that one there, and it's also got a rear camera, which I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it's there on the left hand side. I've actually wired this in now. As you can see, the wiring goes in through the headlining, down the A pillar there. This is a Volvo XC60, so if you need tips on how to do it, there's a screw or a nut you have to undo over there. The wiring comes under and then comes into this socket here. Trying to remember what the word was then. The other wiring for the rear camera goes up through the headlining around the side, and it comes with a tool to allow you to do that. It's really good actually. I was quite impressed with the kit that you got with it. You can see here you've got picture in picture. It records in 3-minute intervals. You can do 5-minute intervals as well. You can also tag on your number plate, which I've done on this car, so that when it is recording, it's evidence from this car. Other things you can do, so you can have mirror mode on the reverse camera, which again is quite useful. It has a nice menu in there, start sounds, end sounds, just to give a audible indication of whether the thing's actually on or not. You can record like 5 minutes as well, and then kind of 10 minutes I think as well. It does say on the box that it's a 1520p camera, and that is true, but only if you have got the one camera, the front facing. If you then go for the rear facing as well, so it all comes in the same box, but if you plug the rear one in as well, it will drop the front one down to 1440 and the back one to 1080. From here you can see the quality is pretty good. The rear one slightly darker. I have got tinted windows, I don't know if that makes a difference. And you'll see now the footage. I'll put a bit of video clip from the footage that I had earlier on in the day of the other car I had it installed on earlier this morning, and you'll see it's a great camera. It's quite thin. It comes with everything you need. It comes with a mount up there, and yeah, it's a great camera. Highly recommend it for the price anyway. I was looking at neck space and things like that, but this one turned out to be quite a good price. There is another thing which I found out about recently, which I have bought now as well, and I will install this. But so you see this is screwed on. This is not screwed, this is put on with the suction mount, which comes free with the kit for an extra £9. I'll put the light on here. For an extra £9 you can get this dashcam mounting kit, and the way that this works, again, high quality device. I'll just take this out of the box. There's different mounts for different cameras, so I've already put the right mount on for my camera. Essentially it looks like this. So the idea is you unscrew these here. This bit's kind of rubberized so it doesn't damage anything, and it keeps a tight hold around your rear view mirror. So this would essentially go, I don't know if you can see it, but they'd be kind of up here where the ball joint is for the rear view mirror. This kind of goes over that ball joint. And then you can see also then the bottom bit, this will hook in where it would have hooked in on the camera, and so that just means you don't have something stuck to your dash cam. It will then kind of eventually end up around here which is slightly further away, it does give you a wider field of view. Pros and cons, I'm not sure, but I think quality product, and it's a great idea if you did want to go down that route. I might do another video on that, but you know, this is a great product as well. Again, highly recommend it. I haven't personally tried it out myself, but it looks like it does a great job, and it's very sturdy anyway. Cool. So now I'm going to link into a video which is taken from the Dashcam, so you can see the quality of that. But yeah, from me, thumbs up, 10 out of 10.
Did you bet that mayo makes you tasty, yeah? Sweet chili sauce too, I'm sold.
Today's $1.99 sweet chili chicken one. So big on flavour, everyone will want some. Only at McDonald's. From 11 AM.
Here we are in the pub with Dave as he's on his betting app. I think he's about to place a drunken bet. Are you kidding me? It's him! The Man Mountain is here! He's got Dave in a scorpion deathlock! Oh my! What's Dave gonna do? You know what he's gonna do! He's tapped out! Dave's tapped out for timeout! Remember folks, before placing a bet, tap out for timeout and avoid bet regret. Be gamble aware.
To celebrate the Old Firm derby, TalkSport and Wick Straight Pro are giving you the chance to watch all the action in style with the ultimate football fans prize package, including a 9L 5-piece power tool set, 50-inch smart TV, a mini fridge, and 2 football shirts. Plus, you could be joining Jim White via
Did you bet that mayo makes you tasty, yeah? Sweet chili sauce too, I'm sold.
Today's $1.99 sweet chili chicken one. So big on flavour, everyone will want some. Only at McDonald's. From 11 AM.
Here we are in the pub with Dave as he's on his betting app. I think he's about to place a drunken bet. Are you kidding me? It's him! The Man Mountain is here! He's got Dave in a scorpion deathlock! Oh my! What's Dave gonna do? You know what he's gonna do! He's tapped out! Dave's tapped out for timeout! Remember folks, before placing a bet, tap out for timeout and avoid bet regret. Be gamble aware.
To celebrate the Old Firm derby, TalkSport and Wick Straight Pro are giving you the chance to watch all the action in style with the ultimate football fans prize package, including a 9L 5-piece power tool set, 50-inch smart TV, a mini fridge.